Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we have just introduced Blackbox AI tool that will be working as an AI peer programmer for you so that you can get help and get your coding faster and much easier to do and focus on your business cases or the thing that you have to incorporate about the business in your code. But today I'm going to show you that I have took a deep dive into its feature and I have found one of them, the most powerful one, that will take Blackbox to the next level, as I think, because it has different features like it has the autocomplete of the code, like you type in the comment section. Just provide a comment and it will complete the code for you. It will search the code for you from the repos. I will take a deep dive in those as well in my future videos. But today I'm gonna show you the best feature of it is extracting the code from a video. And I have checked it, and think that it has accuracy level of some to some extent. It has still something to get itself improved because it's extracting the text and performing an OCR, but it still needs to be filtered. But as far as we want to copy something from the video, rather than typing it and getting copied it and just paste it and improve the things and just fix the minor errors will take a lot of time rather than performing it by yourself manually by copying a code from a video. And it's for the to achieve this, we just have to install or add this extension to our Google Chrome browser. You can get it from here, or you can just search it, black box code search it, search auto completion extraction. It will search it for you and just get it installed, and it will be shown as like this. Now that's the video that I was working upon, and I saw that I just search for a simple like we are on this instant or this, let's say. So we will just try what we will do, that we will just pause this video on a stand. Let's say we have to copy this code into our working environment. Now we will I what I've done, just pause that video, press this extension. It has clearly mentioned in that copy text from videos has access to this site. It means that from this site you can copy the text and use this extension. I will just click it and it will just open up like a simple box right in between, like that it's waiting for some copy the stuff, and you will just like drag it like you are cropping something from an image, and we will just select this and just highlight the portion we need to copy, and leave the click, and once it's done it will show you a message that the text has been copied. You can paste it anywhere. I have this notepad open. I will just paste it and you can see that it has copied the code for me. What I've noticed is that if it's not copying those braces whenever I focus on the whole code that has been mentioned in that, even though if you just want to see the accuracy of the tool, you can just drag it till here. So it is expected that it should be copying this subtitles as well, and the text has been copied. Let's say what it prints, we will put it right below, and yes, it has copied it as well. Now if you can see the copied stuff in the previous section and the copied stuff now, you can find a difference in that this line of code has difference in the copied stuff. Like this, there is a Roman number 2 in here and there's an equal sign. It means it has some improvements that are required in future. There's some sort of maturity that's still expected in the outcome of this extension. So but on a complete note, we can say that it's a very powerful tool, and I find it very powerful that whenever we are developing something and we are referring resources, to get some help. And in case we have found something relevant to our problem in a video, and the code is not available anywhere on the soft copy, and we have to get this code as well, so we can use this extension, get the code, and make some improvement in that in case it's not being copied completely. So you can fix those minor errors as you know the language, but the main stuff has been copied for you, and it made your life more easy rather than pausing the video and copying the stuff from there yourself. We can give a small test as well, some further tests as well. Like it's there's this code has a lot of stuff in it, so we can just press those button, and let's say how it works when we copy the stuff till here, and we'll go in here and type in here. Sorry, it has not been copied yet. Now it has been copied. Yes, sorry, we had to it, and there it is. So the outcome is quite good. Like it's annual interest person, this formula, this line is a bit shuffled up. There are spaces in it, so you have to fix it yourself because it's missing out few of the things. Like there is next float, it's a bracket but it's considering it as an O. So there are some tweaks that are required, even though this curly braces, because I have copied the stuff when it was partially cropped up, so that's why it's considering it as L, and all other stuff like this. So it's a very powerful thing in short, and very useful while doing your development and performing different steps, and you need to copy from some reference in a video. So it will be really helpful and save a lot of time. I will credit Blackbox AI in this, that they have provided a very powerful thing for the developers. And since they are focusing on the easing out the code to perform less code environment and to provide a less code environment alongside focus on the business application, it's a very good tool. So you may go ahead and perform some steps and practice steps and experiment the things with this tool, with this extension. Let's see how it performs at your side. And if you have any queries or anything you want me to perform for you, or anything that you want me to provide details about, so you can just type in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you very much.